Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building a clear, savory foundation. Dashi. Put 4 cups cold water and a 4x4-inch kombu pot side and bring to just below simmer. This extracts umami without bitterness. Once done, remove kombu and add 1/2 cup bonito flakes or 1 tsb instant dashi for a quicker option. Steep 1-2 minutes, then strain. Meanwhile, make a miso slurry. Whisk 2 tablespoon white miso with 3 tablespoon warm dashi so it dissolves smoothly. This prevents lumps when you finish. Once you have clear dashi, simmer it gently 5-7 minutes to concentrate flavor without boiling hard. High heat breaks down delicate umami. Make adjustments. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 tsb mirin to round sweetness and saltiness, tasting as you go so you control the balance. If the miso seems stiff, reserve 1/4 cup hot broth to loosen the slurry. Make sure to temper it gradually so you keep the aroma and probiotic quality. You finish by turning the heat off and stirring in the miso slurry off heat. This keeps beneficial enzymes and prevents bitterness. Mix gently until fully incorporated, then ladle the base over cooked ramen noodles and add toppings like scallions, sesame oil, or a soft egg. If the soup tastes too salty, thin it with hot water or unsalted dashi. If it tastes flat, correct with a splash of soy or mirin, tasting incrementally so you don't overshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.